topic is about what would you rather be wise or intelligent. I choose to be wise. Over the next 2 minutes, let me tell you why. There are three reasons. Firstly, wisdom helped me make a good decision. Wisdom made me think carefully before acting and consider the consequence of every choice. And I don't make a decision based on my emotion. For example, if a friend asks me to cheat on exam, I politely refuse because I know that honestly it's more important more than getting high score. So therefore, wisdom help people choose what is right. Secondly, wisdom make me learn from experience and mistake because everyone make mistake. Be wise person use those mistake in, as a lesson instead of they repeating them again. For example, if someone spend too much money and later they have a financial problem, so they can learn how to save and manage their money more carefully in the future. So wisdom help people become grow and better. Finally, wisdom build trust and strong relationships. Wise people are kind, honest, and respect to others. They always listen before they speak and try to understand everyone in different opinions. For example, if two friends argue, wise person stay calm and listen to both sides, and they have to solve the problems. Because of this, people trust and respect wise individually, and they can build long-lasting relationship. Once again, my name is Kali. My topic was about what would you rather be wise or intelligent. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.